I cannot eat, I cannot sleep. Your eyes, your smile is all I see. I smile every time you speak. You held me up when I was weak. Maybe it's true that I need you. Nobody makes me feel the way you do. Without you, nothing is alright. You're second nature to me. You're like the air that I breathe. You're like the stars in the sky when they're all aligned. It's written in the stars. It's written on my heart. It feels like I have known you for a century. It happens naturally. The thought of you and me in sync eternally. Second nature to me. Your heart pumps blood straight through my veins. Without you, I would go insane. If I had one wish, I would choose you. Nobody makes me feel the way you do. 24 hours every day. I just need to hear you say you're second nature to me. You're like the air that I breathe. You're like the stars in the sky when they're all aligned. It's written in the stars. It's written on my heart. It feels like I have known you for a century. It happens naturally. The thought of you and me sync eternally. Second nature to me. Your voice, it plays throughout my head. Without you, I'd probably be dead. You breathe out while I breathe in. This is how it all begins.